Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In today's lecture, we will be studying about how to add code editor or text editor in Odoo 19 for our custom module. What is an HTML field, how HTML field is utilized, and how can we implement it. So, sometimes we may wanna need an text editor. Now, what is a text editor? It is a simple editor which will make your font size increase, adding bold, italic, and various type of styles as well. So Odoo provides the functionality to add a text editor very easily by using HTML data type field for Odoo in Odoo 19. So how can we use that field? Let's see. Now first let we go to the code here. In our library.person model, let's create a field. Name is HTML description is equals to fields dot, remember HTML is the type HTML, and string is equals to, let's say, give it simple description, right? Remember the type will be HTML for the text editor. Now I'll simply just copy this field, add this field in the view. Where is our view? Yes, here, library person view. Let's add this field in the page, a new page, so that I can show you more properly how it is. Description and string value as well as HTML description, and I'll just add our field here. Control V. Now we simply need to restart our server. After restarting the server, go to the apps. Now I'll just upgrade our module. After successfully upgrading our module, we simply go to our library management module. In person view, open the form, and here is our HTML description. Now it is, you can see it is a plain text type. Now it is a text editor. How can we see that? By adding slash. When we add slash, a drop down will open with various options like what you want to add here. Now let's say we want to add an heading. Say library books. Now similarly we can add various other attribute as well, like quotes. This is the library person model page view with the help of text editor. See, and you can simply, by selecting, you can create bold, underline, and various other attributes as per your. You can also apply the color as well. Just simply select it, select any of your color you need, save it. See, you can add all the basic functionality of a text editor is given via HTML field. So it can be useful when you need a requirement to add a text editor in your custom module. So let me summarize the today's lecture. In order to add a text editor in our Odoo for our custom module, Odoo provides default HTML field which we can use to add the text editor. In order to do that, all we need to do is go to the code. In the model, simply add a field with the data type of HTML. Remember, this is the very important. After adding the data type, simply add it in the view as well. And after adding the view, you can simply upgrade the module and you can see your text editor here. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.